Let's take one advanced surface exercise. Ladle, spider, skimmer, or you can say spider strainer. Okay, this is a wire based structure. We will create with the help of 1 mm wire. All dimensions in millimeter, wire diameter are 1 mm. Now we will create this in 3 steps. First we will make this half spider, then we will make handle, then there is a grip for handle. This all with the help of 3D sketch. We will create 3D sketch, then we will apply, add material. Now let's create first this half portion, this spider. Now see here we have some reference, quarter circle, radius 30. Now distance between these two 1.5. Okay, see here, one left side, one right side. There are two types of wires. That's why we need to create two types. Okay, now this is the spiral, pitch 3, revolution 7.68, angle, start angle 90 degree, direction clockwise. Okay, let's see how we can create this one with the help of surface feature. Now I'm going to choose front plane, sketch, activate here circle. Now connect with center line. We need this bottom quarter circle. Select and exit. Now activate trim entity, power trim, and delete this. Okay. Smart dimension 30. Activate offset entity 1.5. There is one more. Select this circle, reverse direction. Okay. Now see, let's go to surface. Apply here revolve surface. I want to make one half sphere. Now axis, select this vertical line and you will see the preview. Keep angle 360 degree, say OK. Now here we have two sphere. Okay, let me select uncheck. Now you will see top plane, sketch, circle. Let me draw here a circle, diameter 5. This is the base diameter already provided in drawing. Now go to helix and spiral. Now here choose defined by only spiral. Okay. Now pitch 4. How much revolution? 7.68. Okay. Pitch only 3. Angle 90 degree. Okay, exactly we need here. Normal. Clockwise, let's make it 0 and let's see. No, we don't need here. So let's keep this one 90 degree. Say OK. Now again I am going to activate top plane, sketch. Now this time I am going to select this curve and choose convert entity. Okay. Now here apply extruded surface, reverse, and make this one more than this body. I want to just pass, so let's see. 30, no, let's make 10 more, 40 millimeter. Okay. Now this is one side strainer, the other side let's mirror this one. How we can do this? Go to mirror, reference plane, right plane. Now here choose body to mirror, select this. Now you will see preview, see one side here. Okay. Now you will see we have two bodies. Fine. Okay, let's create this handle. Handle angle 20, length 60, and distance from center 30 millimeter, distance bottom distance 12.5. And you will see here we need to extrude this one. There is a oblong. These oblong distance how much? Length 6 millimeter. So we will make it 6. Then later we will convert like this. Corner radius here R2. Okay, remember this. Now let me select here right plane, sketch, activate line. Okay, let me length 60. Now select the length and select end point, and it will show you this triad. Select this one and define angle 20°. Okay. Now distance from center 30 millimeter, and there is a vertical distance 12.5. See. Now let me do one thing. Go to surface, extruded surface. Now keep mid plane, and distance here make 6 millimeter only. Okay. Okay. Now what we will do? We will go to sketch, intersection curve. Now outer circle and the first extruded surface. See here. Okay. Now this time inner circle and mirror body, mirror extruded body. Remember this sequence. Okay. Cancel this. Now for time being, let me hide this 3-4 bodies. Later we will delete, hide. Even let me hide this also. Helix. See. See. Now let's create here some line, then we will connect with this. Now let me select 3D sketch. Okay, select this face. Okay, simply exit. Select this face, sketch, activate line, and connect from this end to here. Go back to the point and see the line is converted into arc, and draw one. Make this one construction line. Again draw one center line. Make sure this is vertical. Okay. Smart dimension. Radius 2. Select this one and this one, tangent. Okay, still not defined. Select this point, tangent. Okay, look, this is fully defined sketch. Go to surface, trim surface. Here sketch selected, keep selection. Okay, split natural. Which one? Select center point. See this pink point going to keep, other going to remove. That's why we selected keep selection standard. Okay. See here. Now here what we will do, just do one thing. Drag this 3D sketch at down. Okay. Just take it down. Now edit this one, 3D sketch, and select this face, convert entities. Select the center one, construction line. Okay. Now I am going to choose here spline. Connect this point to this point. Escape. Again activate spline. Connect this point to this point. Okay. Now at center you will see. Here also we need to connect spline, this point to this point. Right click. Now select this point, tangent. This point, tangent. Okay, that's fine. Keep as it is. Now here also select this point, make relation constraint tangent. Similarly, this line and this spline tangent. Do this side also. See, we already done. Exit. Now go to feature, apply swept boss base. Circular profile, how much wire die 1 millimeter, select this curve. Now you will see a perfectly going to create one structure. Merge tangent faces. So you want, most probably you won't get any. Let's see, either we will achieve or not. Okay. See, do one thing. This swept boss, let's apply some color so it looks more visible. Okay. Fine. Now we already created. Now let's create this grip. This grip, one side, this is the distance, center distance, how much? 30 millimeter, but there are 29 turns. This wire diameter also 1 millimeter. Now we will create one surface lofted body, then we will convert those bodies into these wire. Let's see how. Turns are important. Let's remember this one. Let's create two plane, 1.1, 1.1. This is 5. Let's see how we can do this. Now show previous sketch, plane. Now select this end point, midpoint actually, and select this line. Let's create a perpendicular plane to this. Okay, this is plane 1. Again activate plane, select plane 1 and make it distance 30 millimeter. This is plane 2. Okay. Now activate plane 1 sketch. Now let me create center point slot. Okay, start from here to here. Smart dimension. Okay, this is going to be 6. The corner radius 1.1. Okay, now simply exit. Now let's apply. Let me hide this plane 1. Plane 2 sketch. Again, center point is straight slot. Start with this point. Okay, now select this outer line and this point, pierce. Similarly, this outer point, this line, pierce. Let's define this angle, radius 1.1. Look, this is fully defined sketch. Exit. Let me hide plane 2 and hide this also. Okay. Lofted surface. Now select 1, 2. Let's create this body, surface body. Merge tangent faces. Okay. Fine. Now we will, I want to make turns here. So again we have to create. Now let me open previous sketch. Show. Make it, hide this one. Even hide this body. Now let's apply plane 1 sketch, because this is on plane 1. Activate line and select this end point. Make the larger than the previous body. Exit. Select this face sketch. Now the length of this 30 millimeter. Okay. Simply exit. Now let's show the preview. Show. Okay. Go to surface. Now here apply shift surface. Now here choose profile. This is the profile. Path. This is the path. Go to option twist profile. Specify twist value. Here choose revolutions. How much direction? 29. See, this is what we need. Say OK. Now go to sketch intersection curve. Select this body and select this body. Okay. This lofted body, not the plain one. Okay. Say OK. Cancel. Now let's hide this body. Now let me do one thing. This all three hide. See, we have a path. Go to feature, shift boss base, circular profile. See here the profile already selected. Path 1 millimeter. Merge tangent faces. If there is OK. Now here we done. Now let's do one thing. Delete this all. Show. And delete this all surface body. So go to direct editing, delete or keep body, delete body. Select 1, 2, 3, internal circle. Say OK. Okay, there is one more body is balance. Edit. Okay, now one more is balance. Let's check. Lofted, surface loft. This is we forget. Now say OK. Now this is going to delete all these body, surface body. Now here we have body, swift body 1, show. See, we done. Now swift body 2, let's apply some color. Okay. See, here we done. So this is how we created a ladle skimmer or you can say spider strainer in SolidWorks with the help of surface feature. Don't forget to share, like our video, and please subscribe our channel for more video and more projects in SolidWorks. Thanks for watching.